if you have all these bottles and you don't know what to do with them, then you can use it as if your face falls off or something. I'm sorry. This video is not sponsored. Welcome back, my beautiful friends. I was in the bath today and I was thinking about all of the hair products that I'm no longer using, particularly conditioners. So like I said in a previous video, since I've been in Thailand, I stopped using my Cure conditioner because it contains glycerin, and in humidity, glycerin makes my hair go kaboom and super frizzy, and not the cute kind of frizz, but like the kind of frizz that gives you lots of knots and like makes you sad. So that kind of frizz. So I was thinking, like, what am I gonna do with all these hair products? Because I don't know about you, but you know when you buy a hair product and you're really excited for it and you use it and you don't like it, and then you're just stuck with all these bottles? Like, what do you do with that stuff? Actually, let me know in the comments below. Do you hold on to it? Do you give it away? Do you throw it in the garbage? Well, I don't really have anyone to give my hair products to because I'm in Thailand, so I was trying to think of what can I do with these hair products. I don't want to throw them out. I don't have anyone to give it to because, like, I don't know anyone here. So I was thinking of some things that you can do with conditioner that you don't want to actually use for styling or use for their traditional purpose, but it's another way you can use them and still kind of go through the bottle and not feel quite as wasteful and like make space for other things. So one of those things that I thought of, particularly for a conditioner, actually all these things are for conditioner because that's the thing that I have that I want to get rid of, that I don't want to actually use as a conditioner. And that is, you can use it to shave your legs. The conditioning properties and the slip in the conditioner is actually really awesome for shaving your legs. So if you're out of shaving cream or if you just want to try it, it actually works really well. And for me personally, whenever I shave, which is not very often, but I actually started shaving since we've been in Thailand because the feeling of having long hairs on my legs and like the breeze blowing it just feels like there's bugs crawling all over me. And I know this is totally in my head, but like my body knows. I'm like, you're in a place with where there's lots of bugs and mosquitoes, so like it just feels so much better to not have any hair there, because like I know that if I feel something on my leg, it's not hair, it's like actually a bug. I digress. So a conditioner is a really great alternative to a shower cream, shower gel. So if you have some extra conditioner lying around that you don't want to put in your hair, put it on your body. My next alternative for using conditioner is also another bath thing. So I'm all out of bath bombs and bubble baths and shower bath things. So I took some of my conditioner because my skin's been like really dry and like itchy, and I actually just put that in the bath. So I just took it in my hands and like rubbed it together, and it created like a really nice, luxurious, beautiful smelling and like really moisturizing bubble bath. Like it did bubble. You'd be surprised at how much conditioners actually bubble. I was really surprised. But my skin just feels really nice and like buttery and soft, and like the itch is gone. So yeah, that was great. I really like that. And another thing that you can use conditioner for is actually a hair thing, but it's not going to mess up your hair if glycerin is a problem for you in humidity. So what you can do is, and I've actually tried it here in Thailand and it actually doesn't have any effect, and that is because it gets washed out, and I'm going to explain. So if your hair is really tangled, you can actually use your conditioner that you don't really want to use normally and use it as a detangler before you cleanse or shampoo your hair. So put it in your hair and detangle it, make it nice and slippery, and then the reason why the glycerin, this is what I think the reason why the glycerin doesn't make your hair frizzy is because you used it before you used your shampoo, so it all gets cleansed out and it doesn't seem to affect my hair after it's dried. So that is the key. Use it at the beginning and then it doesn't affect your curly hair routine, or at least in my experience it doesn't seem to be affecting my hair when it's used the very first thing. And conditioner is a really great detangler. Like, I know that they sell detanglers separately, but I personally just think that's all kind of marketing mumbo jumbo. You can just use a conditioner to detangle your hair. You don't need like a special conditioner unless your hair is just like super crazy knot city, because some people just, or you have really long hair, or if you just kind of have some kind of special needs in general. I don't really have anything that like difficult or challenging about my hair, like as far as hair goes. It's pretty like easy to work with. So Conditioner as a detangler is something that you can do if you have a conditioner that you don't really like that much to use in your hair at the end of your hair routine, and use it at the beginning. You still get to go through the bottle and like feel like you use something. So if you are a product hoarder, if you have all these bottles and you don't know what to do with them, and you, for whatever reason, you can't give them away, you don't want to throw them away, then you can use it as a detangler. You can use it in the bath, and you can use it to shave your legs. It's funny, the idea for using the conditioner to shave your legs actually came back to me from a piece of advice that I read in one of my kind of like, you know, the little cute little teeny bopper magazines like J14 and like 17, those magazines. Those actually contain some like pretty useful like hygiene advice, and the using the conditioner shaving cream actually popped into my head. Another one that comes to mind is using strawberries to whiten your teeth. I actually tried this and it does work. I'm thinking that how it works is something about the enzymes in the strawberries. I think it just kind of helps to like break down any kind of like residue or like film in your teeth and just kind of like show the whiteness. I don't think it's actually hurting your teeth per se, unless you have sensitive teeth, and I probably wouldn't want, you know, you probably don't want to do that, but the acidicness I think helps to kind of like break down, I don't sound so bad, break down your teeth, break down any film in your teeth, any yellowy film or stains, and show your teeth for their whiteness underneath. Another one that popped into my head was actually using blush as a lip balm. So if you want to add some color to your lips, all you do is you take a little bit of blush in your hand and kind of like rub it into your hand, and take a little bit of lip balm, rub it together, kind of mix it to make a little paste, and then put it on your lips, and bam! You have a lip gloss with some color if that's what you're feeling like. Alright, let's see what else I have like running around in my head. Ooh! Sugar for your lips to exfoliate and get rid of dead skin. Just take some sugar and mix it with a little bit of oil and just rub it on your lips, and bam! This video turned out to be a lot more useful than I thought it was going to be. It's funny, when you ask yourself for answers, all of a sudden like all of these ideas just like flood in from your past and things, anything you've ever read or seen. It's all like, it's just in your brain as like a library, and then when you call on it, you just get flooded with stuff. You know, when you're a teenager and you're really trying to like figure out like how to be a lady, and like my mom didn't really talk to me about like how to be a lady, so I learned a lot of things about being a lady from these teeny bopper magazines, and they were very useful and taught me many things. Oh, okay, so I had an idea about another tip for the conditioners, but don't try this at home if you're not feeling brave, you're not feeling like taking some risks, because I haven't actually tried this out for myself. It's just an idea that popped into my head, and I just haven't tried it yet. But if you do try it, let me know in the comments below, and that is using conditioner to remove makeup. I feel like it could work, but I wouldn't put it like on your face. It probably just like your actual face. Obviously your lips are on your face, but I would only probably try it on maybe like removing lipstick or something, like, you know, like the really like dark deep reds, just to kind of like get it off first. Like if you were truly in a pinch and you ran out of makeup remover and like you really need to get your makeup off, I feel like conditioner would be able to get it off because of the slip, and there is some of like a cleansing, like it does foam a little bit, so I feel like you'd be able to take off makeup. But I haven't tried it myself, so if your face falls off or something, I'm sorry, I warned you. So, but if you do try it and it works, let me know in the comments below. Come back to the video and say, hey man, I tried it. The conditioner does work as a makeup remover. You're welcome if it works. Sorry if your face fell off. If you're wondering why my hair looks different, you made it to the end of the video, you got to know what's different about it. I actually did a twist out on my hair because my hair was super tangled, and I just wanted to like detangle it, and but I didn't want to actually wash it, so I just sprayed some water in it and did a twist, and then I untwisted it, and this is what it looks like. It's actually not that different from, surprisingly, it doesn't look that different from my usual curls, but like it's different enough that like I know something's different, right? So let me know in the comments below, can you think of anything else to do with your conditioner that you don't want anymore? Maybe you have some fun ideas. I'd love to know, and I'm sure everyone else would love to know. What else can you do with a conditioner if you don't want to use it as a conditioner? Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. I love filming when like these ideas come to me, because if I don't, they'll just like be gone in the wind. Alright, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button for more videos on lifestyle and hair and whatever I'm excited about at the time. Alright, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.